The Health Ministry on Wednesday said the situation in two states, Maharashtra and Punjab, is of grave concern as they are home to districts with most concentrated number of cases. While Maharashtra accounts for 9 out of 10 districts that have emerged as hotspots, Punjab, which is the epicenter of the farmer protest that has been going on for months, has also shown a considerable spike in COVID-19 infections, the centre said during a media briefing in Delhi. Additionally, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh have also shown an upward swing in cases. Moving on to the next news, amid a second wave of COVID-19 cases in India, genome sequencing by the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Consortium on Genomics shows variants of concern and a novel variant in India, the Government of India has said. The consortium said on Wednesday that the novel double mutation variant of SARS-CoV-2 was found in Maharashtra. The ministry, however, said it could not be sufficiently established if these variants were behind the recent spike in COVID-19 cases in some states. It said genome sequencing by Indian SARS-CoV-2 Consortium on Genomics has identified variants of concern in several states and a new double mutant variant. Moving on to the next news, days after Uttarakhand Chief Minister, who is currently under quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19, said that no COVID negative reports will be required for pilgrims participating in the Shahi Snans at the Kumbh Mela in Haridwar. The Chief Secretary on Wednesday told the High Court that visitors will have to carry negative certificates. The Kumbh starts on April 1st and the centre has asked the Uttarakhand government about the need for stringent measures to control the spread of the disease. A central team led by the National Centre for Disease Control Director had visited Uttarakhand on March 16 and 17th to review the medical and public health measures undertaken by the state for the ongoing Kumbh Mela in Haridwar. Moving on to the next news, the CBI on Wednesday unearthed a scam linked to the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and registered a case against Kapil and Dheeraj Wadhwa, brothers who are promoters of the Crisis Hit Diwan Housing Finance Limited DHFL and are in jail over fraud and money laundering cases. According to the CBI, Kapil and Dheeraj Wadhwa created fake and fictitious home loan accounts amounting to more than Rs 11,755 crore and on the basis of these fake accounts availed Rs 1,880 crore in interest subsidy from the Government of India. The PMAI, a central scheme to ensure housing for all, was announced in October 2015. Under the scheme, housing loans granted to people from economically weaker sections and those from low and middle income groups are eligible for credit-linked interest subsidy. The subsidy is to be claimed by financing institutions like DHFL that have granted these loans. Moving on to the next news, during a campaign in Purulia on Tuesday, the West Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh said if Mamata Banerjee wants to show her legs, she should wear a pair of Bermudas. He added, now that the plaster has been removed, she has put on a crepe bandage. She has covered one of her legs with a sari while the other is left open. I have never seen anyone drape a sari like that. Some of the women leaders of the ruling Trinamool government lashed out at the BJP leader. MP Mahua Moitra, who is known for her outspoken remarks, took to Twitter to vent her anger.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.